Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was requested by these two lovely people and it was to make this Galaxy paper squishy in the shape of a strawberry. So to start off with, doing the usual Galaxy type inspired squishies, I drew out the rough kind of shape with a dark blue felt tip pen. I then went ahead with some purple and some pink and just did splodges all around this. Now, a lot of people ask me what pens I use and I always put it in the description box, but the pens I actually use are the Crayola Super Tips and I have the pack of 50 with all the different shades and stuff in. So what you want to do then is colour the rest of the shape remaining with a dark blue, and you'll also want to add even more darker blues to this to add a little bit more dimension. I sped this up a little as it is quite self-explanatory. What you then want to do is take some plain water just in a bowl or a cup, and you'll just want to use a small paintbrush to work this into felt tip pen. Now this works especially well on these pens as they are washable, so they are designed to kind of like dissolve with water, so that's why I really like using these markers in particular. Once this was completely dry, I actually like the reverse side of it where it seeped through the paper, so I turned it over and just started drawing out loads of little white dots and some stars and stuff like that to add to the galaxy-like effect. Once completely happy with all the little details, I then went ahead and cut this out into a strawberry shape. Now I just did this by eye, you can draw on it if you want to, but I just kind of cut it out into like a rough rounded triangle shape and that worked really well. I then went ahead with a black Sharpie pen and just drew out a little face onto the little guy, and I also used my white Posca pens to add some highlight to the eyes, and I really like these pens for this because it kind of sits well on top of the Sharpie. What I then did with my white Posca pen was drew on some detail at the top. Now you can actually use paper to kind of stick over this, but I wanted it so that you could still kind of see the galaxy design through, so I did a really thin layer of white Posca pen on this, and yeah, I just scribbled it away until I was happy with the coverage. Now I could have done a couple more layers of this to make it more opaque, but this is not what I wanted, but obviously if that's what you want, you can do that. Once completely happy with my design, I then took a white piece of paper and just taped the whole thing down to obviously the other white piece of paper. I also then went back in with the little offcuts that I had of the galaxy and I just made a little stalk to go on the top of the strawberry. Now if you didn't obviously take this into account, you could also just draw this on or just miss out this bit completely, but I just felt like it added to the strawberry shape. I then went ahead and cut this shape out, taping as I went along, and I just taped up all the sides so that it kind of created almost like a little paper bag. As I taped up the majority of it, I then left a little gap to fill up with toy stuffing. Now to fill your squishy, you can use whatever you want to fill this up. Some people like to use little bits of foam, some people like to use bags, some people like to use stuffing like here, but like I said, you can use whatever you want, and then you'll just want to tape it closed. Once it's closed, your squishy is then complete. Now I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's requested a video so far. I've had so many requests and I've actually chosen 5 out of the 7 spots already, so if you still have any requests then please leave them down below as I still have some videos to make. So yeah, I hope you liked how this video turned out. I'm really super happy with how the Galaxy squishies are going. I might actually do a Galaxy paper squishy collection as I have been making quite a few and I know a lot of people have been liking them. So if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below as I just said, and if you have any questions on this video, leave them in the comments too, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!